Greetings from Arizona, Casa Grande, Arizona, USA. I am so delighted to be part of the WHO Year of the Nurse. It's been a long, happy career for me, and I appreciate COVID-19 for the fact of communication has taken on a whole new arena for especially people in my age bracket. I never dreamed that I would be sending messages around the world, but it's a wonderful, wonderful experience for me. I started out my nursing career at age 18, and I believe I'm going to be a nurse until the day I die, which I hope is still a ways away. But I've had the opportunity through the years to meet so many wonderful people, nurses, colleagues, students. Um, I, 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 Everyone has a story, and I love to hear people's story. And my story is, I've been very fortunate to have been able to practice nursing all over the United States and all over the world. I've met many, many people in the globe that are just like me. We're wonderful, caring people that really make up that noble profession of nursing. So I say to you, all of my friends and colleagues, happy Nurses Day, wherever you are in the world. I'm thinking of you, and we'll be together again, maybe on video or maybe in person. But happy Nurses Day. Have a wonderful year.
Hi everyone, good morning and wish you happy Nurses Day. I am Nivarani Dutta, am working as Assistant Superintendent of Nursing, State Cancer Institute, Guwahati. Due to the present scenario, we are unable to celebrate the day, but we should gain inspiration from the noble lady Florence Nightingale. Her birthday, that is 12 May, has been celebrated as the Nurses Day by the International Council of Nursing since 1965. This very day marked the contributions that nurses make to the society. We are proud to be a nurse and will always work for the welfare of our people within the ambit of our post. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Linda, and I'm coming to you from the USA. I've been a nurse for over 40 years, and this is the first time the World Health Organization has picked 2020 the Year of the Nurse and Midwife. No one could have predicted that this year of celebrating the nurse would coincide with the arrival of COVID-19. Now, more than ever, the world is watching brave nurses like yourselves work tirelessly around the clock to care for their patients. And they're doing this knowing they're placing themselves at risk. For Nurses Week, my message to each of you is thank you. You are my heroes, not just because of COVID-19, but every day before and after COVID-19. You have chosen to take care of people, most of whom are strangers to you, at the most vulnerable times of their lives. Nursing called you, and you came. Please stay safe and celebrate your profession. Thank you.
Nurses Day greetings from Ram Kumar. While the essence of medicine is to cure, what is equally important is to care. Doctors are but an extension of the hands of God. They look after patients while God does the curing. It is the nurse, however, who showers compassion on the patient, provides a soft touch, and uses the soothing voice to lessen the patient's suffering. We salute all our nurses for this extremely important role that they play in patient care. May God bless all our nurses and their families abundantly and keep them safe under His care, while they in turn care for His children.
Hello everyone, I'm Pastor Kai from KWS Galati. I'm really happy to wish you all a very happy International Nurses Day. We are in the midst of storm and challenges, especially at this COVID-19 pandemic, where everyone are feeling confused. We are really thankful and grateful and also appreciate your untiring and selfless services to the community, to the society, especially in the hospital. I would like to encourage you all that you nurses are the real missionary. And also at this point of time, you are the superhero and heroine. So do your best, give your best to your services. Services to humankind is services to God. I will continue to support you all in my prayer. God bless you all. Once again, Happy Mother's Day. Thank you.